Folks, if you're a home gardener and you're not composting, you're really missing out. Two main advantages of having a compost pile. Number one, compost is a great soil amendment. Number two, you can't beat it for the price. It's absolutely free. So today, let's harvest some compost. What I'm going to do is take this potato rake and just rake away all this material. This is mainly grass clippings and some old peat pots that break down. You can compost just about anything that's cellulose based. That's the beauty of it. And now that I've exposed some of the compost, let's put some in the shovel here. So we're just going to take a shovel full of compost and put it on this screen that's just made of hardware cloth, and we'll sift it through here. Now this compost is very warm, and that means that the microbes have been doing their job and breaking down all of this organic material into the soil amendment we're looking for. Okay, now that we've harvested some compost, we're going to replenish the pile with just kitchen scraps, old tomato slices, old cucumber peelings, some leftover food, coffee grounds, very important component of a compost pile, and we'll just spread that out back onto the pile. And now we're just going to cover it back up with more of these grass clippings. And we've kind of killed two birds with one stone here. We've also aerated the pile by moving the compost around. Okay, last thing before we leave the compost pile, we just want to make sure it's moist. Moisture is a key component to composting. Not saturate it, just get it about the consistency of a damp sponge, and that's it. Folks, you'll find that homemade compost is one of the most versatile materials available for home gardens, whether you're growing vegetables or ornamentals. For Get It Growing, I'm Kerry Hefner with the LSU AgCenter.